Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I just came back from Dallas, Texas, and I wanted to kind of post a little bit here, show you guys a little bit of the trip, and talk a little bit about the virus. Most states now have the stay-at-home order, and wow, all through, if you've ever been to Dallas, usually it's bumper-to-bumper traffic at any time of day or night. But you know what? These streets are empty. And I mean, take a look here. I'll show you a clip going through the tunnel in Mobile, Alabama. Yeah, it's early morning, but it's, just before rush hour. But look at this. There is nobody on the street, nobody. And the only things that are on the road are really trucks. And wow, thank you all drivers. Thank you to all the drivers, especially if you watch the channel. You guys are the greatest. You're out there, you're delivering goods. Our country moves with trucks. That's what makes our country move. And I think you guys know that, but wow, thank you so much. So I'm driving along, and of course you look down at your fuel gauge and you go, oh crap, we got to go get some fuel. So you got to think about, is that virus going to get you when you get the fuel? So we go ahead and we put on our mask and our gloves and our glasses, and we go ahead and check out the fuel stop. Luckily, fuel is pretty cheap. You can see that it's $1.74. This was in Alabama. Or no, this was in Mississippi. This was in Mississippi. And you know what? I made this drive a long time ago, right after Katrina. And I remember the devastation all along I-10. It was amazing, just amazing. But we survived that, and we cleaned that all up. And now we're working on a new invisible enemy. And together we will overcome this. So through Mississippi into Louisiana, and it's been a while. So every gas station in Louisiana seems to have a casino. Of course, there's nobody here. There's nobody even in the parking lot. But it is pretty cool to see all the casinos attached to the gas stations. From Louisiana, you enter in Texas, and almost immediately you start to see these signs that tell you to check out the virus and the situation. Again, if you've never been to Dallas, normally this is bumper-to-bumper traffic. And yeah, there is some traffic on the road, but it's nothing like normal. COVID-19 will touch all our lives in many different ways. Please be safe, and together we will overcome this invisible enemy. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.